Do you dream of having the freedom to live your life fully, to spend more time with family and friends on the things that you love? But in reality, you are being stuck in an unfulfilling and underpaid job. And although you know that your value has only increased with the years of hard work, you are afraid of starting something new. You might be even saying to yourself, "I'm too old for this." I know how disempowering this can feel. I've been there. And what helped me create more options, choices, and certainly get the excitement back into my life was starting an online business. And I hear you saying, "Wow, that's a huge step to take." And I didn't know a thing about entrepreneurship back then, being for 30 years in the corporate world, an employee. But with the right education and guidance, it's much easier than it sounds. You will be surprised to hear that most startups today are not run by millennials, but by people like you and me who can tap into the fast life and work experience. You know, when I first saw these videos on the internet, I knew this is a gateway to what I was looking for. See it for yourself. Click on the button, subscribe to receive the free videos that explain in detail what it takes to build an online business from scratch. Listen, if I could build an additional income stream with a busy family life around a full-time job, I'm sure you can do it too. This educational platform has courses, webinars, one-on-one mentorship, full-time technical support. It has all you need to get focused on what you need to do to create that amazing business, that amazing life. So I say to people, if you are serious about truly creating something so that you can quit your job, this is the platform to do it. Surely you can find plenty of good training on the internet these days. But hear the difference. It's not just about the money. The biggest value I've got from this training is the mindset shift. Just a year ago, I would have been petrified to speak in public or like this in front of the camera. And now I love it. I see it as a way to connect with like-minded people. So it's this increased self-confidence, self-worth, that I can make it no matter what, that I'm the creator of my life. This is priceless to me. And I credit it all to this learning community. Many of my mentors are becoming friends with the time, and we keep inspiring and motivating each other to be bold and dream big. I hope to welcome you in our community soon. Go ahead, click on the button and leave me your contact details so that I can send you the free workshops that got me started back then. If you keep your mind open, if you do the effort, you'll get the freedom you're after. Don't let any more of your life slip away just dreaming of that freedom. Take action, watch the videos, and we will take it from there.